The oil and gas industry thrives on information. Engineers need plans, geologists need maps, everyone needs reports. An oil and gas document controller makes sure the right information gets to the right people. They are the organizers behind the scenes, ensuring smooth operations. They are essential for safety, efficiency, and regulatory compliance. Document controllers handle a wide variety of documents. These include technical drawings, safety procedures, and environmental reports. They also manage contracts, invoices, and permits. Their job is to make this information accessible and secure. Document controllers receive documents from many sources. They might get a new safety procedure from a field engineer. They could receive an updated map from a geologist. The document controller checks each document. They make sure it is complete and accurate. Once a document is approved, the document controller distributes it. They use secure systems to share information. They make sure everyone who needs a document can access it. They also track document versions. This ensures everyone is using the most up-to-date information. Oil and gas projects generate a lot of documents. A single project can have thousands of drawings, reports, and permits. The document controller creates systems to organize all this information. They might organize documents by project, document type, or date. They create clear naming conventions. This makes it easy for people to find the information they need. Good organization is essential for efficiency. It can prevent costly mistakes and delays. Document controllers play a vital role in the oil and gas industry. They protect sensitive information. They help companies comply with regulations. They ensure everyone has the information they need to do their jobs safely and effectively. Their work is essential for the success of any oil and gas project. Without them, projects would be chaotic and inefficient. Accurate and accessible information is the foundation of a successful operation.